Guys, andito ako sa Chef Warren Up and Smoke Lounge, 117 Scout Limbaga, Timog, Quezon City. May bago na naman silang pasabog. Every week ata may bago rito. Platter nila, composed of T-bone, porterhouse, Salisbury, siomai, Hungarian, merong carbonara, at syempre may rice. Kasama na itong gulaman, 799 pesos lang. Unlimited na to lahat. Ha? Magsawa ka, naka T-bone, porterhouse, Salisbury. Siyempre, tikman natin. Gusto ko itong carbonara, Sarap, Look at that. Tikiman time. Sarap. Champion. Masarap talaga dito. T-bone steak. Tikiman time. Sarap din ng gravy. Ang lambot ng meat. Imagine, 799 pesos, unlimited na yan. Please follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, Noel Vlogs for the Travel. And of course, sa kabuuan ng video na ito, panoorin nyo sa aking YouTube channel. Ito yung Facebook page ng Chef Warren Up and Smoke Lounge.